welcome to the new video of DNHU Best. Today we are going to learn some idioms that we can use in our daily conversations. Being a language lover, we all know that adding some phrases and idioms will give a fancy touch to our conversations. So all of us want to know more and more of phrases and idioms in our daily life. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Here the first one is spill the beans. Spill the beans. Spill the beans means reveal the secret unintentionally. Reveal the secret unintentionally. Example, while speaking, he spilled the beans about his New Year strategies. Number 2, spend a penny. Spend a penny. Spend a penny means to go to the washroom. To go to the washroom. Example, I am going to spend a penny. I am going to spend a penny. Number 3, chock-a-block. Chock-a-block. Chock-a-block means fully packed or crowded. Fully packed or crowded. Example, the bus is chock-a-block with passengers. Number 4, cat on a hot tin roof. Cat on a hot tin roof. Cat on a hot tin roof means to be in a state of highly nervous or anxious. To be in a state of highly nervous or anxious. Example, she is like a cat on a hot tin roof as she is waiting for the result. Number 5, drives me up the wall. Drives me up the wall. Drives me up the wall means to annoy or irritate. To annoy or irritate. Example, he drives me up the wall by asking questions continuously. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the video interesting, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram.